Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually run installation wizard on your dstv-extra-decoder. So whenever you turn on your new dstv-extra-decoder, this is what you're going to find on it. Or maybe after you have format or reset it to factory defaults, this the first page that will pop up on your screen. So we have the language option right here. All you got to do is to select your preferred language. We have English and then Portuguese, so we're gonna go with the English right there. You press OK on it, and when you come here, you have the satellite. And with the satellite works in two groups. Okay, so if you are living in the listed countries, on the right side of the page, we have Botswana, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. You have to select this satellite as the IS-20, and then you proceed with the same steps that I'm going to use, because I'm not living in this listed country, so I need to select a different satellite. Okay, so if it happens to be that your country name is not in this list, the rest of Africa, you need to select the E36B. Okay, that's Nigeria, Ghana, Ivory Coast, and other countries that they can't find their country name on the IS-20 page, and you press OK to actually proceed. So when you come here, come to the manual setup. Alright, that's the second option. You press OK on it, and here we have the LNB type. Since it's an Explora decoder and you are required to use a unique cable LNB to actually do the installation, the LNB type have to be the unique cable TM/SAT-CR. Alright, you don't have to change it, have to be the unique cable LNB. Okay, and you have to check at the right side of the page the signal status, and then the signal indicator over there have to actually shows that there is some signal. So if there's no signal over there, the blue tips will never show. So if you reach this level and there's nothing indicating that there is some blue tip or there is a signal, you have to check your signal cable at the back of your decoder. You need to fix it really well into the LNB port. And if there's no positive outcome, all you got to do is to check your satellite dish to actually get a signal from it. Alright, so you come here and then come to the scan to actually proceed to scan your decoder. And then if it's a new decoder with no activation, all you got to do is to call the STV office, and then you provide them with your details and then the IUC number or the smart card number of the decoder for them to do the right activation for you to get access to watch everything that you want to watch. Alright, if you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe, and if you hit the bell icon, you lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.